ahead and get into this box. As you can see, this is the flat iron with the titanium plates. ROSILY. Just gonna go ahead and open up the box. And right here you have a little card from the manufacturer, ROSILY. And it says, "ROSILY always here for you. You will get ROSILY within 12 hours at ROSILY.com. Right here is the instructions manual. And you turn around on the other side and there is the temperature, the settings guide. So you got from 250 to 290 for damaged hair. So now let's just go ahead and open it up so you can see the very beautiful pink titanium plates. This is an extra wide style. Very nice power cord. As you can see, this is uses standard 110. And right here on the side is your temperature settings. Goes from 290 all the way up, I think it's 475. And then right here is your on and off switch. Now we're going to go ahead and get to the titanium plates. They're of a pinky orange color, as you can see. Very sleek and slender, very nice. It does very well when straightening your hair, especially if you have coarse hair like myself. So if you want to go from curly to straight, this is definitely one to go to. And these very beautiful titanium plates that helps from snagging or burning, as you can see right here. Very nice, very lightweight, and the power cord, you don't have to worry about it snagging or it unraveling because it's very thick at the end. This is ROSILY Stylish Iron Plus. Very beautiful, very nice, very lightweight to the hand.